Ship crashed in the Roswell desert. Little green man stumbled into a bar, tried to blend in with all the other fellers. So good, so far. A few drinks and he was having fun till some military men walked through the door. They dragged him off to Area 51, singing like tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, 4. For a good time, oh, and some salt and lime, oh. Makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, and it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, 4.
Let's learn 3 tequila floor. It's choreographed by Maddison and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with 3 restarts on walls 2 and 5 after 8 counts, and on wall 8 after 16 and making a quarter turn. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Practice all 3 restarts, including that quarter turn, and then we're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice how all those restarts happen, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 3 tequila floor. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a ball cross, so we're going to step this right foot quickly to the right side, cross your left over your right with slightly bent knees. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right. You're at 3 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left foot, and we're going to make a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot, and you're going to immediately continue that turn by making a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side and kicking your right foot into the right diagonal. We're now going to do a weave 8th turn, so we're going to step our right foot behind our left, step your left foot to the side. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot forward into the diagonal. You'll be at 10:30. And we're going to do a mambo step forward with our left, Rocking that left foot forward, recover back on your right, step back with your left. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your ball cross. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. What's going to help that pivot feel good is if you make your half and your quarter kind of come into each other. So you don't want any pause. You want that to immediately go into your quarter turn. Section 2. We're going to do a ball cross again with the right. That's going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our right shoulder. So we're going to make that 1/8 of a turn, stepping our right foot to the right side. We're going to cross our left over our right. We're now going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and put your left heel forward into the left diagonal. We're now going to quickly step our left foot next to our right, and we're going to do a heel grind that makes a quarter turn over our right shoulder. So you can take your right heel, cross it over your left, putting your weight onto that right foot. You're going to swivel your toes from left to right, making that quarter turn and stepping back with your left foot. We're now going to do a big step back with our right and drag our left foot into our right and do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward, and we're going to brush our right foot. This brush is going to put you into a walk, but your walk is kind of exaggerated. So you're going to take your right knee, you're going to slightly bring it in, and then you're going to push it out, doing a big step to the right. We're now going to do that again with our left. So you're going to take your left knee, bring it slightly in, and then push it out, doing a big step with the left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our mambo step, weights on your left foot. You're facing 10-30. We're going to do our ball cross. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. I like to call those cowboy walks because you should be kind of leading with your hip as you do those walks. On wall 8, that is where your restart will happen, but you'll make your quarter turn. But at that point in the dance is where your restart will happen. Section 3, we're going to do a cross rock, side rock, sailor quarter turn. So we're going to take our right foot, cross rock it over our left, recover back onto your left foot, rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to step your right foot behind your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot slightly to the side, and then step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a weave. So we're going to step our left foot behind our right, right foot to the side, left foot crossed over right. We're going to scuff our left heel on the floor and then touch that right toe into the diagonal. And you're going to take your knee, you're going to swivel it in, out, and now we're going to come up onto our right foot, and you're going to do a little kick back with your left to end that section. When you do that, you don't want to lean forward. Your knee is bent, you're just straightening and then sitting. When you recover for the next section, you'll be coming back down. So you don't want to do any leaning, just have that knee bent, you're doing your swivel, swivel, and then you're just straightening that knee and then coming back down. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our walk, walk. We're doing our cross rock. So it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and that little kick back is and. You don't want to do it huge, right? So some styling that you can do is when you do that scuff, your head can look towards 3 o'clock. So you would do your scuff and you're here. So you're like looking over your shoulder, but your foot's into the diagonal. And then you can do that swivel and then lift. All right, from here, we straighten that knee and we lift it with a slightly back kick. We're now going to step down with our left foot and we're going to do a 1/8 of a turning lock step. So we're going to step back with our left. That's going to square us up to 3 o'clock. Cross your right over your left. Step your left foot back and do a little kick forward with your right. You're now going to step back with your right. Cross your left over your right. Step back with your right. We're now going to step back with our left and we're going to stomp our right foot across our left. So we're going to go step, stomp. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to stomp your left over your right. Step, stomp. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and you're going to stomp your right over your left and then you're going to fan your toes out, in, and that ends the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our lift with our kick. You're doing your lock step back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then you would do your ball cross to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts before talking about those restarts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your ball, cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, eighth, ball, cross, side, heel, ball, heel, grind, quarterback, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk, cross, rock, side, rock, sailor, quarter, turn, weave, behind, side, cross, stop, touch, swivel, swivel, lift, back, lock, back, kick, back, lock, back, ball, stomp, fan, fan. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your and cross. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The first 2 times that we restart, it's going to sound exactly the same. There is 8 counts of just instrumental. So that will happen on wall 2 and on wall 5. So wall 2 is over here. You'll dance the first 8 counts, returning back to this wall. And to restart the dance, you would have been doing another ball cross to make that 1/8 of a turn anyways. You're just going to ball cross and start the dance all over again. So let's practice that. Weights on your left foot. You would have just done your stomp, fan, fan. You're doing your ball, cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, 1/8, mambo, step. So right now we would be into the diagonal. You're going to make that 1/8 of a turn doing your ball cross, starting the dance all over again. Ball cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick. And then you would keep on dancing all the way through. That would become wall 3. You'll then dance wall 4 all the way through without anything. Wall 5 is our next side wall. You will do the same exact restart on wall 5. That will then become wall 6. You will dance wall 6 all the way through, wall 7 all the way through, and then wall 8 is our last restart. So wall 8 is your final restart in the dance. This is the one where you're going to make that quarter turn to start the dance over again facing 3 o'clock. So let's dance 16 counts of the dance and then we'll talk about that quarter turn. So weights on your left foot, you're doing your ball, cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, 1/8, mambo, step, ball, cross, side, heel, step, heel, grind back, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk. Right here is where you're going to restart, but we are going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder doing that ball cross. So we would have done our walk, walk. You're gonna make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, quickly stepping your right foot to the right side and then crossing your left over your right. You'll be at 3 o'clock, starting the dance all over again from the top. So that ball cross is the first and 1 of the dance and cross. And then after that, you don't have to worry about anything until the very end. The very end, you will be facing the side wall and you're going to just make a quarter turn to face 12 o'clock, stepping forward with your right, stomping if you would like to face the front wall. Because it ends at stomp and stomp and stomp, fan, fan, boom. And you're gonna end by stomping forward, turning over your right shoulder to face 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to do 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice that quarter turning restart. And then we're going to alternate between steps and counts as we go around. So the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Each side wall is where that restart is going to happen. So weights on your left foot, we're doing our ball cross. Ball cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, ball cross, side, heel, step, heel grind, quarterback, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk. Cross, rock, side, rock, sailor, quarter, turn, weave, behind, side, cross, stop, touch, knee in, knee out, lift, back, lock, back, kick, back, lock, back, step, stomp, and fan, ball cross, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, restart, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, ball cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, eighth, ball cross, side, heel, step, heel grind, quarterback, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk, cross, rock, side, rock, sailor, quarter, turn, weave, behind, side, cross, stop, touch, knee in, knee out, lift, back, lock, back, kick, back, lock, back, step, stop, step, stomp, step, stomp, fan, fan. 8 counts again, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, restart, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and ball cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, ball cross, side, heel, step, heel grind, quarterback, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk, cross, rock, side, rock, sailor, quarter, turn, weave, behind, side, cross, stuff, touch, knee in, knee out, kick, back, lock, back, kick, step, stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp, fan. Now we're going to do 16 counts, and cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, ball, cross, side, heel, step, heel grind, quarterback, drag, coaster, step, brush, walk, walk, quarter, turn, ball, cross, quarter, step, half, quarter, kick, behind, side, eighth, mambo, step, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Just remember the ending happens on your last wall. After you do your fan, you're just going to make that quarter turn, stomping forward to 12 o'clock. I hope this helps you learn 3 tequila floor. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.